I'm Prasanth. I finished my Bachelor of Technology in Information Technology, IT, and in 2011 I finished, and then I was with Capgemini for like 6-7 years, and nearing 7 years, and then I was into a different domain, into mainframe, and I heard about DataMites from Google, and and then I joined DataMites. The trainer is Mr. Ashok, and he is he is excellent in delivering the lectures in data science, and the projects and all whatever he had given post the after the training, they helped me very much, and the facility is also very good. Whenever we go for interview, mostly the interview questions, they will be from the 6 weeks of session, 6 weekends, whatever we have in the curriculum, that from those questions they will be asking in the interviews. So recently I attended an interview with Cognizant, and they have like 80 to 90% of the questions which I faced in the interview, they were directly from the course, which was like the course which was taught in the 6 weeks duration. In DataMites, after the course is over, they will give live projects, and you will be given 15 days time to finish it off. You will be asked to form groups, and you need to finish those projects. So I was able. I completed 3 or 4 projects, live projects, and it will be as good as doing internship or as good as doing a live projects in organizations. And after you are able to complete 3 to 4 projects minimum in the projects which are given by DataMites, you are good to face the interviews. Once if you have completed the data science course here in the classroom sessions, you would be done with the 50% of the preparation to get into a company, and after the classes are over, you will be given a couple of live projects. So you have to do 3 to 4 live projects, which after doing the live projects, you would be like 80% fit for the industry. But the remaining 20% you have to do some groundwork, and you have to prepare for the interviews, and you have to study on your own, and you have to look at the job description, and for which profile you are applying for, and you have to prepare it likely. I would like to express my thanks, heartfelt thanks, a ton of thanks to Mr. Ashok, who is the trainer, and because of him I was able to make a transition of my career from very legacy system mainframe to the latest technology, data science. And also I would like to thank the entire team of DataMites